In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Payhip affiliate program. By the end, you'll have your affiliate link ready, know how to approve partners, and set commissions on specific products so affiliates can start promoting with confidence. First, log into your Payhip dashboard. From the top navigation, open the marketing section. This is where Payhip centralizes tools that help you drive sales. Inside marketing, switch to the affiliates tab. This dedicated area manages everything related to affiliate recruitment, approvals, and product assignments, so you can keep the entire workflow in one place. Right at the top, you'll see a unique affiliate sign-up link provided by Payhip. Copy that link and share it wherever you recruit partners, your website, social channels, or via direct messages. Anyone who clicks it will be prompted to create an affiliate account that's connected to your store. A quick tip: test the link in a private browser window to confirm it opens correctly, and consider pinning it in a central spot, like your site's footer or a dedicated partners page, so it's easy for potential affiliates to find. As people sign up, they'll appear in your affiliates list. Initially, they won't be active yet. You'll notice a status indicating they're waiting to be approved. Review their details to make sure they're a good fit for your brand, then click approve to activate them or reject if they're not aligned with your goals. Taking a moment to vet applicants helps protect your brand and ensures quality promotion. After you approve someone, give the page a moment to refresh. You'll then see an Add Product button appear for that affiliate. Click it to assign the items you want them to promote. This step ensures commissions only apply to the products you choose. A pop-up will open with a drop-down to select a product. Pick the product you want this affiliate to earn from, then set the commission percentage. This is the share of each sale that goes to the affiliate when purchases are tracked through their link. Keep in mind, you'll handle paying affiliates yourself outside of Payhip, so decide on a payout schedule and keep clear records. When everything looks good, click. Add product and wait for it to confirm. That's all there is to it. To recap, grab your affiliate sign-up link, share it, approve applicants, assign products, and set a fair commission. Keep commissions competitive, provide your affiliates with clear messaging and assets, and revisit assignments as your catalog grows. You're now ready to run your Payhip affiliate program with clarity and control.